to open the Lightning Talk session. So I'm Yonaton. I'm coming from Berlin, Germany, and I'm heading the data platform in Get Your Guide. I've been Get Your Guide over 5 years, actually started the data department on my own. Our goal in Get Your Guide is to make our customers love where they're going. It means that we help them discover by over 40,000 tours and activities, day trips, museum tickets, attraction tickets. In some numbers, we have over 4,000 activities. We have customers over 160 countries. We localize in 80 languages, 18 million monthly active users. We have over 50 nationalities working in our Berlin headquarters, and we completed 175 million US dollars fundings. The data platform team has a mission to empower the organization to make data-driven decisions. We are 3 BI engineers and 3 data engineers that are responsible for the entire data lifecycle in the organization. So this is how our data tech stack look like right now. Unfortunately, 3 years ago, it was more like this. We had like very hard time to serve our organization. My desktop basically looked like that, and it didn't really make our life easier. We cannot allow our organization to make decisions based on gut feelings. That's when we decided that we have no choice. We need to find a solution that will basically help the organization move faster. The BI team was very, very small back then, only 2 people. Ad-hoc requests kept increasing over time. The organization kept growing, but the BI team was small. We also noticed that the BI platform has a very, very low usage. So we sat together and decided, okay, we must think of a way to make the bot go faster, to help all our data users, our main stakeholders, to make decisions based on data. So then we decided to introduce Looker. It was in November 2016 when we started the integration, and a month after we saw something amazing. The ad-hoc requests decreased dramatically, and the active users in the platform increased and keep increasing over time. So let me share with you 9 best practices on how to get there, because one I already shared, we introduced Looker in the organization. So the first thing that we decided to do is completely to leave all the maintenance out. We don't want to deal anymore with deploying. We don't want to deal anymore with sysadmin. We don't also want to let our DevOps team do that. Looker does this for us and saves us a lot of cost and time. The next thing that we do is that we decided to connect directly to our data lake. We pull all our sources to S3. So everything is centralized and hosted in AWS. And from there, we read all our data. We have Spark cluster running on top of it, so it's very easy to auto-scale based on usage. We decided to simplify all our data pipelines. It means that we removed unnecessary aggregations that we had in the past. It saves us a lot of time as data platform team running data quality issues or like identifying inconsistencies between aggregation table. We train and educate our users. We created an internal data guide that allowed us to basically enable users from day one to use Looker. We basically featured 12 videos in our Looker instance. We keep everything consistent. All the metrics and dimensions are always defined in one place in the LookML. It also saves us a lot of time dealing with inconsistencies. We decided to do more with less. One of our biggest learnings from the integration is to introduce data sources gradually, to use vanity metrics and not to expose our users to the entire data set that we basically can expose them in Looker. We created a community. So we have a Slack channel. Something very interesting that we found out that after 3 months, the BI engineers, data analysts, and data engineers didn't need to involve so much because users were helping each other. We monitor all our user activities. So in order to improve performance, to recognize patterns or common use case and help the users build the dashboard that they need so they won't need to spend so much time or invest so much time on like querying data in explorers. And the last thing is that we unified everything in one tool. So we use Looker not only for data discovery, but also for embedded analytics to our partners, to negotiate commissions with our suppliers, to run our A/B experiments analytics, and even do funnel analytics. So everything in one tool. So it was me. This is my email. We are hiring data engineers, BI engineers, data analysts, feel free to write me if you're interested to move to Berlin. We have an amazing city. Thank you.